How does your AWS search arrives in the mail? I took my address off, but this is how it comes in a regular envelope like this. Once you open it up, you have your certs in it. It'll have your name and your number, where, you know, if you're working for someone or if someone needs to verify your certs, that's the number that they contact. Then in the inside, let me zoom in. It has the date on it when you actually receive that cert. And mine say 1/18/2017. D1.1 SMAW, mean I was using a stick welding process. 6010 and 7018. 6G as the position I was in. Half inch. It expires next year. So I keep it updated. It takes every 6 months you should update it. And I think it costs around $25. So it's like $50 a year, which isn't bad, but you can write that off. So when you're independent, you can write your certs off when you got your certs and maintaining them. So just something I wanted to give you. A few people asked me about what was in it and how do you do it. You can fill these out yourself, especially if you're independent. Show you what else comes in the paperwork. This is what they send you. Congratulations, you're an AWS Welder Certification. Pretty much just let you know, how much it charge. You see here annually. Let you know how it expires. You want to keep it updated, and they'll send you a form. Send you a form on filling out your personal information, putting your number in. This is a maintenance form. I actually have this in the email that I actually email out to different people that gets the consultations that's being independent and starting their business. I actually send you an email link of this where you can download these and just do it yourself. Like I said, this is not hard at all. If you're the owner of the company, you can sign here. If you have a partner, they can sign. You put what position your search was in. And I actually had 2 certs, but I only keep one maintained. That's my stick search, because I specialize in field welding. So that was the one that I needed the most. So my flux core search really wasn't as an asset as my stick welding search. So that's why I keep them updated. So this is the process. It's not really a hard process. It's not long. They send you all the information, and like I say, you can just file it yourself. And this is being independent. This is starting out. This is not too complicated. And a lot of people say, "Oh, you got to have a job, sign off on it. You got to have a company." That's what they're gonna tell you from a worker standpoint, because that's what they're gonna teach you. I'm telling you from an independent standpoint. As an LLC, as an independent owner, you can do this yourself. You can maintain them, because if you're working in the field, if you're doing it, if you got the business, you are the owner, you are the boss. So you have to start thinking that way. But you can do these things yourself, literally. So just want to give you some encouragement, show you how they come in the mail. And like I said, you can do this yourself. You can find an AWS facility in your area. All you have to do is Google it. They all around. Sometimes they're in community colleges, small facilities. You can go in and take your test. Smaller areas tend to charge a lot cheaper. When I got my AWS certs, actually, I was passing through, had a job in Denver, so I had went home to visit family, and I stopped in Tulsa, and I actually went to Tulsa Tech and took the weld test to get my AWS certs and had them sent to me. So like I say, you can do it on the move. It's all on you. It's just all on your work ethics and what you're trying to get done. But most definitely, you can get them sent to you. You can be able to maintain them, and you can keep them up. Hold on.